Hello dear soulmates, you're welcome back to Dazzling Fashion World YouTube channel. So our topic for today is how to make a rose from fabric. So you can see I made these beautiful rose from fabric, as you can see. So this is what you'll be learning in this class today. So there are so many things you can make with this rose that you can see here. You can use it to make a headband for kids. As you can see, this is a headband. You can use it to design your turban as well. So this is a turban. You can see the rose in front of it. It's made it so beautiful and lovely. So you can use it for headband. You can use it to make hairband as well. You can also use it to make your kiddies ball gown. Just place it in the front of it. It's absolutely beautiful. I use that a lot to design kiddies ball gown. Then you can also use it for adult dresses as well. So you just place the rose at strategic places. You can see it's so beautiful. So you have to be creative about it, and that is it. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free. You don't have anything to lose, rather you have a whole lot to gain from this channel, all for free. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to specially say thank you for being a part of this family, and please don't forget to like, comment and share our videos. So without further ado, let's get right into the main tutorial. So the first thing is to get your material. This is a doll face satin. So this is the right side and this is the wrong side of the fabric. So the length of the fabric is 23 inches, while the width is 4 inches, as you can see. So now the length is dependent on how big you want your rose to be. So you can increase the length to be about 40 inches if you want it to be bigger than this, but this is a medium size rose. So now the next thing is to fold your fabric into two. So this is the wrong side of the fabric. I want to shape this side. I'll make a slant. Just watch what I'm doing. So I'll make a slant. I believe you can see. I'll sew with 1/4 of an inch, following this slanted shape. Then I will sew with 1/4 of an inch straight, like this. So I am done sewing. As you can see, I use a contrasting color of thread so that you can see the sewing. So you can see this is the slanting part and this is the part that I sewed straight. So now we'll turn it to the right side now. So turn your fabric to the right side like so. Remember, we sew on the wrong side of the fabric. So I have turned it to the right side. As you can see, this is the slanty part and this is the straight part. So the next thing is to thread your needle, just like I have done. Can you see? This is my needle and thread. So we want to run a gather stitch on these opened parts here. Can you see? So that's where we want to run our gather stitch. A gather stitch is a loosed stitch, okay? So just put in your needle into your fabric and run a loose stitch. So as you can see, I've run a loose stitch with my needle and thread like so. So now you will pull it. So you pull the thread just like so. So I believe you can see what we have now is taking shape already. The next thing is to arrange your rose. So the part that is straight will be the one under, so you place it under like this, under the fabric, just like I've done. Then you make these ones in a circular manner. Just follow what I am doing in a circular manner like this. So you just arrange it very nicely. Arrange it nicely. You can draw your thread as well, so you can see what I have. So it's taking shape already. So the next thing is to secure it tightly with your needle and the thread. So I'm going to secure it now. So the next thing is to get your hair beads. This is it. So I'm just going to use one of it. So put your needle in the bead just like I've done. Then we want to attach it to the center of the rose. So just put your needle right back into the middle of the rose like so. As you can see, so this is what we have. So I'm just going to secure it very well so that it won't get loosed up. So I'll secure it once more. So you cut out any unnecessary thread that is there. So you can see this is what we have. Our beautiful rose is all ready. You can see how beautiful and lovely it is. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like and share this video tutorial. I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.